Introducing the packaging of the future. There is a diminishing tolerance for single-use plastic.
How can we eliminate plastic from our products? Our goals are to make both Maybelline and L'Oreal plastic-free and entirely carbon neutral by 2025, focusing on sourcing locally and supporting emerging markets. Our solution is not just packaging. Our solution is complete end-to-end sustainability. We are rethinking every step of the supply chain. We want to replace plastic from the start of the cycle, reuse products rather than throwing them away, and recycle materials to manufacture new products. We've divided the supply chain into 4 steps. We will start by sourcing local crops and packaging the products with a combination of bioplastics, nanoparticles, and nanosensors. Once the product is delivered, the customer can easily participate in our robust refill program, and after years of reuse, compost it or return the product to a local L'Oreal partner for recycling. When producing and growing the crops for the packaging's bioplastic, we want to grow locally and source natural ingredients depending on the region of the world. We have divided the world into 3 different theaters. In the Americas, we will use starch-based bioplastics, in Africa, we will use grain-based plastics, and in Oceania, we will use bamboo-based plastics. Additionally, we will reuse L'Oreal bioplastic product waste as compost for the soil and recycle crops to create biofuels to sustainably power local L'Oreal plants.
Next, we will redesign the Maybelline product line to use intelligent packaging that incorporates the bioplastics and nanoparticles to create new biodegradable packaging. The new highly intelligent packaging will be paired with nanosensors that will communicate information about the quality of the product. Finally, we will change the form factor of the products to make the packaging more reusable. We have identified 3 different types of packaging used in the Maybelline CPT based on their form factor and potential to be sustainable. Form factor 1 is types that are suitable for refilling wet products, such as foundation, primer, or lip gloss. Form factor 2 contains types that are suitable for dry refills, such as powders, lipsticks, and compacts. Form factor 3 contains form factors that aren't suitable for refills, such as pencils and squeeze tubes, and products like these will need to be redesigned to use more of either 1 or 2 in order to limit the waste and disposal of the packaging. The redesigned product lines will be bundled with innovatively designed refills known as gems. There will be gems for lipsticks and powders in paper packaging, and liquid gems for products like creams and concealers in algae-based pods. These gems use significantly less materials than the original products they are refilling and will be sold at a discounted price. Consumers can then purchase additional gems when they finish their product or when the nanosensors in the packaging indicate the product has expired through smart labeling and a change in packaging color. Bundling them together with the original product will encourage customers to continue purchasing more gems to reuse their packaging, decreasing their carbon footprint. As much as possible, we want to avoid disposal of products with our diverse refill options. Customers can also bring back packaging to a L'Oreal partner for rewards or compost it at home. Our solutions are easily scalable across L'Oreal CPTs, replacing plastic with bioplastic and nanoparticles, offering both dry and wet refills, and recycling and composting packaging. We can apply this framework to any packaging with any form factor, be it makeup, shampoo, or skincare. There are already existing technologies for sourcing and producing bioplastics, as well as implementing refill programs in the cosmetics industry. We believe that by taking a thoughtful approach to the redesign of each individual product to innovate using existing technology, that we can make our plan happen.
How can we quantify our impact on emerging markets, the environment, and L'Oreal? Implementation of this plan will result in meaningful investment and growth into various emerging markets by promoting economic growth while cleaning the local environment. Investing in local resources will grow local businesses and create new jobs, while cultivating raw materials will improve the air quality by sequestering large amounts of CO2 into the soil. Reimagining the packaging to be more sustainable, local, and reusable will dramatically reduce Maybelline and L'Oreal's total emissions and long-term sustainability. The biomaterials used throughout our solution are entirely carbon negative. Sourcing them locally allows for a significant reduction in carbon emissions due to transportation. Finally, redesigned packaging with a refill-based business model will reduce the total amount of plastic used by the consumer by 70%. Creating a carbon-negative supply chain. An implementation of the solution will allow L'Oreal and Maybelline to greatly exceed their sustainability goals while supporting growing communities around the world and promoting brand awareness of their products in emerging markets.